Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 2 English textbook, workbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 5, chocolate cake mein. The topic is adjectives. SLOs of this lesson are identify and match some pairs of describing words showing quality, size and color. Dear students, I hope you are familiar with the use of adjectives. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words which describe any noun, its color, size and quality. Quality like good, color like red and size is small or big. So adjectives tells you more about the noun. Noun can be anything, person, place or thing. So in today's lesson we are going to do the exercise of adjectives. Here question 1, adjectives. Choose an adjective from the list to describe each of the nouns. We have these nouns here. 6 nouns है हमारे पास. हमने ये वाले वर्ड जो है यूज करने हैं. ये क्या है? सारे डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हैं, एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. अब हमने हर नाउन को ये वर्ड चूज करके इनमें से हर नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करना है. द ए. सो हियर वी हैव अ नाउन, अ टाइगर. टाइगर कुड बी good, wide, new, no, tasty, no, white, green. Yes, a tiger can be white, a white tiger. The B here, a friend, a white friend, a new friend, a tasty friend, the white friend, the green friend. Yes, the good is appropriate for it, a good friend. White is the color and the good is the quality here. The C, a good sharpener, a white sharpener, a new sharpener, a tasty sharpener, a white sharpener or green. Yes, a new is appropriate for it. A new sharpener. The D, a river. Wide river. Wide means bada. Again the size. The E, dinner here. Yes, tasty dinner. मजे का खाना. ये क्या हो गई? इसकी क्वालिटी हो गई. And the last one is remaining. Yes, the green ground. Ground is mostly green because of grass. The second question, encircle the adjectives in the following sentences. You have to encircle all the adjectives you can find in these sentences. Let's read the first one. My mother cooks delicious biryani. Here, the delicious is, yes, adjective, because it is describing the noun biryani here, that it's delicious. The B, the sunset was beautiful. Yes, the beautiful is here the adjective. It is describing the sunset, the noun here. The C, her grandfather lives in an old house. Old here. The D, my brother does not like loud music. Music is a noun here and the loud is the adjective. E, there is a red rose in the garden. I told you about the color of adjectives of color. The red here, the adjective. The F, my hair is long. Here the hair is noun and long is what? Adjective of size. The last one, he bought a new bag. Bag is a noun and new is a what? Adjective. This is your class task from workbook. Choose the correct option and ask your elder sister if it is right or wrong. Then share it with your classmate. आपने हर सेंटेंस के लिए ऑप्शन चूज करना है. हमारे पास तीन ऑप्शन है हर सेंटेंस के लिए. Look at the first one. The rose is a beautiful flower. What is the common noun in the sentence? I hope you are familiar with the common and proper noun. Common nouns are general noun, which we have discussed in the previous lessons, and the proper noun are the specific noun. So we have the common noun, The general noun here, the beautiful is a quality, the rose is a proper noun here. So the flower is the right option, the common noun. The second one, my father has bought a new house. Identify the adjective. Here the adjective is, yes, new, because it is describing the house. The third one, I saw blue rose in the flower bed. Which word is the adjective? Yes, we have the adjective color here. Blue. Rose is a noun and blue is describing it, the color. Blue is the right option here. The fourth one, I ate a delicious burger. Pick out the adjective from the sentence. You have to identify the adjective in this sentence. The delicious is an adjective here. The fifth one here, I have 3 siblings. Tell the pronoun in the sentence. Pronoun are those parts of speech which replaces the noun in the sentence. Like I here, yes, I here is the right option, the pronoun here. I, you, we, the, he, she, they. These are all the pronouns. The sixth one, we play together. Identify the pronoun here. Yes, we is the right option. We is the pronoun here. The second question, read the following lines and use suitable words from the green box to complete them. We have words howling, roaring, jumping, chirping, buzzing, screeching, shining. These are all the action words which describe any action or movement. So you have to choose the right option, the right action for each animal here. We have the animal's name too here. The first one, the birds are what? What the birds do? Howling, roaring, jumping, chirping, buzzing, screeching or shining. Yes, the birds chirp. It's chirping. Chahate hain. The second one, the deer are what? Yes, deers jump. Jumping. The lion is, yes, it is very easy. The lions roar. It's roaring. The fourth one, the hounds are what? Yes, they howl. Hounds होते हैं शिकारी कुत्ते जो कि क्या है howling करते हैं. The fifth one, the bees are, yes, it's clear from the name here, bees. So it's what they do, yes, buzzing. The sixth one, the bats are what? We have 2 options remaining here, shining or screeching. Yes, they screech. The sound they produce, it's called screeching. The stars are, yes, they shine, shining. This is your homework from Summer Pack. You have to choose the right option for this question here. This is also your homework from Summer Pack. Identify the adjective in the following sentences. You have to choose the right option here for each sentence. And we have an activity here. Look at the picture and find the suitable adjective for them. You can see the color and size and the quality of the nouns here. So you have to describe it in adjectives by using adjectives of color, size and quality. This is your homework from textbook. You have to give it a read. Just read this poem here about what? The chocolate cake man, and you have to identify the adjectives of quality, size and color we have discussed earlier in the lesson. I hope you will do your homework and enjoy this lesson. Thank you.